So another way you can make money selling sports cards is buying from these huge collections that people are selling. See, this person only has 200 feedback. Um, this was an auction style listing, but he has over 10,000 sports cards. Um, Looks like a lot of 80s and 90s, but 2000s as well. But he has a lot of autographs, a lot of jerseys. Um, so what you would do is you would buy this huge collection and then kind of split it out, sell all the jersey cards piece by piece, or you can also lot it together in something like this. The ones that aren't worth very much, you can lot them together and sell it in lots like this, or you can sell the jerseys and autographs separate and make that money back pretty quickly. And he also, so it's a tiered auction here. He has, if it goes for over so much, he'll add um, some stuff. But it's really 10,000 cards um, with some pretty good stuff in it. So you could just piece that out. And here's another collection. Went for $1,200. This one is actually listed by card, like the best ones. So you could actually search all these and kind of get a idea of what you can pay for it. And somebody bought it for 1,200. I'm not sure if it was like a. Okay, so the listing doesn't exist anymore. So we can't really see if there's. I don't think it was best offer or anything like that. But they said they spent over 15,000 on the packs. So yeah, this would be a great collection to piece out, and then you could throw some of those autographs and stuff that aren't worth very much into collections like this and sell it by the 100 cards.